Hi everybody, this is Aubrey Mavhuli of Success is Do It Yourself channel. I'm so excited for two reasons. The first one is that our book Extreme Execution is coming out on the 1st of January 2026. Grab your copy, you can pre-order now, you can get your copy, and guess what? If you order now before the 1st of January, there is bonuses. There is course bonuses that you can get if you pre-order this book, Extreme Execution. The second reason why I'm excited is because on the 1st of January, we are beginning our 21 days Extreme Execution Challenge. You have got a chance to win wonderful cash prizes. Every week you can win 1,000 rands worth of prizes. You can also win 1,000 rands in cash. What do you need to do? First, you need to subscribe to Success is Do It Yourself YouTube channel. Second, you need to be able to comment hashtag 21 days Extreme Execution Challenge. Number 3, what do you need to do? You need to be able to share with us your 21 days challenge for 2026. If you do that and you also share our YouTube channel with your friends, with your family, if you do those 4 things, you are eligible to win prizes. On a daily basis, you need to comment and tell us the progress, the frustrations that you are getting with regards to your own 21-day challenge. You also need to comment on the videos that we will be sharing on a daily basis from the 1st of January up until the 21st of January. Every week, every 7 days, we have got a winner who takes away prizes in terms of the books, in terms of courses, as well as 1,000 rands in cash. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Success is Do It Yourself on YouTube and stand a chance to win fantastic prizes. At the end of the 21 days, guess what's going to happen? There is a bigger prize for the person who is consistent in executing, consistent in sharing, consistent in commenting, consistent in doing what they set out to do from the 1st of January. See you in the next video. Don't miss it.